Namaskar and welcome to the Snake Master program. I am happy to say that we have been flooded with rescue calls today. We send other rescuers only if we are unable to reach the spot ourselves. Now the Snake Master team has arrived at a house near Mangalapuram in Thiruvananthapuram. Here in various places behind a dear friend's house, there have been sightings of a snake. In the backyard, a lorry load of cow dung has been dumped for farming purposes. But there is no cow here. Family members say they saw a snake slithering into a burrow beneath the mound of cow dung. Since then, the family and neighbors have remained watchful here. Let's go to the spot where our guest was last seen and find out who it is. Namaskar, how are you? Is everything okay? Where exactly did you see it? Are there so many people around? Was it inside this heap? It was sitting at the bottom of the coconut tree. From there it moved to this side. Is there a hole under this basement? No, there is a drain pipe there. So how can we be sure it didn't go in? Is it under the soil? No. Anyway, let's go and see. Namaskar, how are you? Hope you are fine. What's your name?
Albi.
Kiddy, your name?
Leo.
Your name?
Ash.
Super, are you doing well? What time is it on your watch? Is the watch showing the correct time? Oh yes, the time is right.
Please press this and see.
Wow, how many colors? Which property is that? Then, are there pigs around this area?
Yes, many come behind this.
It's a deep pit there, isn't it? Do you have a well here?
No, we have a bore well.
Oh, there is no water in ordinary wells here.
No water.
Since you saw the snake, you have been here, right?
Yes.
It first stayed there. After that, did it enter this drain pipe?
No, I am sure.
They have been keeping an eye on the place all this while. Let's not waste time. This should be a lesson for our viewers. We aim to create awareness because in the past, our elders used to say that sprinkling cow dung water around the yard would prevent snakes from coming. There was a time when our grandmothers believed such things. But times have changed. Now snakes are not deterred by cow dung, ash, charcoal, marble, granite or discarded cloth. Snakes can be anywhere. Imagine a snake sees a dress kept aside for washing. Don't think it will avoid it and move away. See, this cow dung is hot. It has dried up well and retains warmth. They may have bought it for rubber trees or some other cultivation. But I don't see any snake here. Imagine a snake sees a dress kept aside for washing. Don't think it will avoid it and move away. When I arrived, I was sure there would be a snake burrow somewhere here. I had hinted at that as well. The women here say that the snake has not gone anywhere. But look, there is no hole here, nor over there. There is no hole inside this either. Now let's check other areas as they say the snake is still here. There is nothing here either. Look, nothing here. We have a few more places to search. Nothing here. Nothing here as well. Here too, nothing. So I feel the snake must have gone into hiding in some hole under these dry coconut leaves. Let's remove them. There are several holes here. Has someone gone to fetch a hoe? Are you sure it didn't go into this pipe? There are no burrows anywhere here. Did it hoodwink you and escape? Did it go that way? No. There is a drain pipe. The snake was seen near it. Would it have got into that pipe? We don't know. Could you get me a torch? We checked the spots where the snake was sighted after removing the trash, but found nothing. We cleared this place where there is a burrow but didn't see it. Now the only place left is this drain pipe. Let's shine a torch into it. There is no chance the snake could have escaped, as the people here were very alert. Since the cow dung hasn't dried up properly, there is little chance of finding burrows underneath. Could you flush this drain pipe? I don't see any snake inside except a few bends. When we dug a suspected spot, we found one more burrow. This is a burrow. Anyway, let's shine the torch into it and see. Wonderful! Just like the sisters here said, it's a robust snake. Let's not waste time. If I had given up and left the place, the people here would have called me back again. The snake has moved further inside. Now you can see the snake. The snake is unhealthy. Let's check whether it's male or female first. Come. Look, it's very tired. That's why it was found moving so slowly. Look at its body. It's completely exhausted. It looks like a golden cobra, but no, it is not. It is extremely tired. It cannot move further into the burrow even though it wants to, as I have dug right up to the end of it. The sister here said it was a white snake, but actually it isn't white. Look at its cheeks. They are swollen. There are 2 small dots on its head. I think a pig must have attacked it. Look, there is a small wound here as well. The wound is just above its nose. It must have come here to drink water and find food. The burrow may be extending from the neighboring compound to this side. The snake must have shed its skin a few days ago. When a snake is tired, its venom becomes more potent. The venom of a snake that eats properly is usually less potent. But even so, the bite from such snakes can be dangerous. Usually, a mother snake doesn't go in search of food until a few days before her eggs hatch. At that time, her venom glands will be full, and a bite during this period will be highly dangerous. The mother here said the snake came from that direction. Look, it is heading that way now. Now we can see the burrow into which the snake is heading. Hey cat! Oh cat, move away! Oh heavens, this cat would have been in serious danger now. The mother here said it was this cat that blocked the snake's path. Anyway, the snake has paused its movement because of this smart cat. Again, the cat is prowling nearby, ready to pounce on the snake's head. But we will avoid that situation. The snake might bite this lovely pet cat. Anyway, the sister here said the snake was as white as milk. And yes, there isn't much difference. Now the snake has entered the sack. The job is done. We hope our viewers enjoyed this episode featuring the cobra and the cat that blocked it. We will be back in the next episode with new guests, new incidents and new experiences. Until then, thank you and namaste from all three of us.